Goodness, we are at Laughing Waters in St. Ann for a wedding. This is the setup for the wedding. Chairs there and stuff. Dance floor, DJ, dessert station. But you need to see this right here. Look on the waters right down here. You hear the rushing of the waters. This is so awesome. So cool. And then it goes down into the beach right there. This is so awesome. So the wedding settings, set up chairs. Gotta get those pastries out. Be right back.
Put your moves so carefully, let's start the day.
The room at Mystic Ridge has a little kitchenette area. The fridge is underneath there. Bed, little area, TV, little pattern thing on the wall. The AC not on. And the shower room area. Cool little setup and stuff. Yep, Mystic Ridge. Morning. We are at Mystic Ridge. Say hi, Tisha. There's a view over there now. We should go to the view first. I forgot to show the view. Oh, from in the office? Yeah, that's true. I forgot to start over here. Walking into the reception area, and this is the view from the reception's office at Mystic Ridge, the city of Ocho, Rios, Jamaica. Alright, so we are going. Morning. You have some little villa-like things and stuff, and we are going to, well, right up there, over there is breakfast area. Huh? Yeah, they have rooms over there. The bar and lounge is down here, so we're going down to the rooms and other rooms in the bar area. This is the bar and lounge. I like the color that they use. And then so you have more of these apartment type buildings up here. You sure you're laughing at me? Sure. Then you have the pool area, the swim up bar, the pool. It's a nice little overnight rest stop. Breakfast is complimentary in the morning, and Yeah. I think it's a secure place. Teacher, you're not going to go swim.
Huh?
You can go swimming now. Mystic Ridge, Ocho Rios. Oh yeah, we're going to the rooms now. So you get to the rooms. Well, the room that we're staying. Oh. I have the keys, don't?
Yep.
I did put it up. Oh, that's the room number. E21. So we're leaving Mystic Ridge, and right beside Mystic Ridge is the ruins, falls. Then you have, I have no idea what that is. Then you have Evita's and some other hotel up there. Evita's is like a little restaurant. Down this side to the right is the town of Ocho, where you can go, and there's Margaritaville, there's KFC, there are craft shops. There it is, the Island Village. Margaritaville is inside there. Wow, they're having something today. Rising Stars auditions today. We should. You want to try out?
Vanessa was here.
Oh gosh, if Vanessa was here, we would carry her to try for Rising Stars. That's so true. And KFC's in town. It's some other little craft shop. Columbus Heights is also a nice little apartment place that you can stay when you're visiting the town of Ocho Rios. On the right, you normally have like cruise ships docking in here, and this man is picking up stuff in the room. Thank you, sir. Yes. So on the right, you normally have like cruise ships docking and stuff over here on the harbor or on the pier or whatever you call it. Right. I have no idea what is that over there and stuff. Then are heading to back into Kingston. Yesterday we had an event at Laughing Waters, which we will post a video clip from that there, so you'll see. So the town of Ocho Rios is quiet and nice, and there's stuff to do. There is also zip lining a little bit further out, don't you, Tisha?
Yeah.
There's zip lining. There is where you can do the ATV and Chaka Cove, Chaka Tours has like scuba diving, some adventure tours, some river rafting, some whole heap of things. That is fun.
Horseback
things to do.
riding.
Horseback riding. I thought that was a football a while ago. My goodness. Alright, let's get that beat. Did we pass Mystic Ridge? No, sorry.
Mystic
John's
Mountain.
River.
No.
We don't reach John's River yet? Over here is
Mystic Mountain.
Mystic Mountain. That's an adventure place. And then you have John's River, supposed to be
Around the corner.
Around the corner. And we are at the corner. So that's Mystic Mountain. So zoom in on the thing, Tisha, that thing where it tells you what you have to do. You have those adventures that you can do there. Nice little place. And then John's River Falls, it should be coming up around the corner soon. It's like probably like a 2-minute drive, 2-3-minute drive from anywhere. So I really like adventure stuff to do. You have Dolphin Cove over here, swim with the dolphins, and whatever else is over there. Oh, look at those Jamaican towels. They're so cute. You know, I should get one. I should really get
Here's Dunn's River.
And you have Dunn's River Falls. Really nice place. But, so those towers are nice. Those again. I should get one. I got Bahamas towel. When I went to Bahamas, but I think I should. Huh?
I know Jamaica.
I know the Jamaican one. That's why I said I should get one. And that I'm going to the beach when I go overseas. No, I do go to the beach. Like, depends on where or what we're doing. But just to say, I have a Jamaica towel. You have to buy Jamaica, you know. Support Jamaica. Teach them that you must buy Jamaica, support Jamaica. This is part of Dunn's River Falls because it goes all the way up. So this part over here. I'm saying you must buy Jamaica, support Jamaica. That sort of thing.